Bien. No, eso sea.
Yeah, hurry up, we're hungry.
Josh, I'm watching you. Oli, there's
I'm going to do one hand like this. Okay. You can hold two shoulders.
Okay, we good.
Men, hats off. Men. Only men.
Grab a hand.
Nobody take your hat off. This is the perfect gathering, Africa. You always want it, it's like for everybody to sit, enjoy, to celebrate life, enjoy good meal, good food. And so we're going to say, let's bless this food, and then everybody can and help out. And where is Kekwa? Oh, sorry about it.
So near and yet so far. No, only men. Only men. Only men. Only men.
I can still do it.
Okay, everybody. Mahalo Kekwa. We humbly ask for your blessings here today as well. Bless the many hands that have provided this meal to this table, including Papa Naomoku, Mother Earth. She continues to provide so much to all of us. We ask that your healing powers be present within this meal, that it may strengthen and nourish us physically, spiritually, mentally, as well as emotionally. We ask one more time also for you to bless and blanket all our loved ones, near and far. That you continue to be the guiding force for each of our lives here, as well as for those that are connected to us by blood or love. You are the creator of all life on this planet, in this universe, and all the universes that coexist alongside and through these ways. We continue to honor you.
Amen.
Pizza. Okay, I'm ready.
I have no idea.